Hello traders, I hope guys you are having a good day today. Today is the 22nd of September, Wednesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank profit. Overall, today market was consolidation because we're all waiting for FOMC statement at the 7 p.m. London time. But I finished my trading day and we managed a very good profit today. And let me share with you guys how I analyze market and help my traders to bank a very good profit today and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the major three currency pair and let's see how I did today. If you look at the Euro USD, as you can see here, we haven't seen any big moves. The market is still waiting for FOMC meeting, but what we can see right now, that's what we explained to my traders. We have this pattern is developed. So we're looking here, this breakout. If you look at here and let the market, we have I explained to my trade, let the market come out from this pattern. And if you look at another way to look at, it's look like the price is developing it another bearish flag pattern, but we'll see how the FOMC statement is going to make impact. We'll let you know tomorrow, but we haven't had any good trade, or we haven't had any trade on the Euro USD. We're still looking this breakout, by the way. You can see here, price hasn't broken it. So, but we managed beautiful pips on pound dollar. Let me share with you the pound dollar. And if you look at the pound dollar in 4 hour, we are very short from yesterday. And today, this was the yesterday low. We had this breakout in intraday, bank few pps. And now we also had a counter long trade and bank few pps. As soon as the price hit this level, explain to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and let's wait for the FOMC statement. Let me share with you how I analyze market, this one in intraday, and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. And if you look at the intraday analysis, let me share with you guys. This morning, just before the London Open, that's what I analyzed live. You can see here, I explained to my trader, this was the trade. And this was the yesterday low, as explained in 4 hour here. Explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see, if the price broken, that was the have taken a trade and says, hold this trade as long as the price is below this level. So we have another beautiful pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the our first target, which is the second fib channel, explain to trader it's time to bank some profit. So we had beautiful 2 short trades on pound dollar this morning. And at the New York session, as always, based on the momentum, looking for another pullback short trade here. As explained to my trader here, look for if the price is going to respect this level. Respected, beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, explain to my trader it's time to consider tightening your stop loss. Let's see if the price is going to break, then we're going to be enjoying it. If the price reverse, we need to make sure put ourselves as a break even. So technically we came out this one break even, but some of the traders also banked beautiful pips. But at the New York session, once, as I mentioned you, once the price developed a double bottom here, as always mentioned here, as you can see in the analysis, if the price is going to break the previous high, which is broken, and if the price is going to respect momentum bullish, so we're looking here counter opportunity. Again, based on the 4 hour, price could not maintain this level and broken this previous high, but we need a confirmation in 4 hour in intraday, which is, you can see here, break, and this is the confirmation. So you can see here, that's the confirmation. So beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, as I said here in 4 hour, third touch, explain to my trader it's time to consider banking some pips. And let's see for the FOMC meeting, how after FOMC statement, how the market is going to react. But we managed both in London morning and New York session, few PPs, very good PPs on pound dollar. All right, so let me share with you the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a quite interesting trade, guys. If you look at the 4 hour chart, as you can see here, price nicely respected this inside the Bollinger Band, which is a 20 EMA in 4 hour. After this rejection, we were expecting the price might gonna break and then we're gonna keep taking a pullback long here. But as you can see in 4 hour, price nicely developed a false breakout. We had a long trade, we just came out break even. Then afterwards, we had a short trade here. And as soon as the price hit this support level, You can see here price respected and explained to my traders time to bank some profit. And let's wait for the FOMC statement meeting today. All right, let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday and help my traders to bank some profit. If you look at the intraday, this was the short trade I mentioned yesterday analysis. If you haven't seen it, watch my yesterday analysis. This was the short trade I was expecting a breakout, which is we bank beautiful pips. So today we were expecting the price might going to break this sideways market. As you can see here in 4 hour, this was the consolidation, and we had this breakout, which is we have taken it and we were expecting it price might gonna be breakout. But as you can see here, price, as soon as the price hit to this level and the fifth channel, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss, which technically we came out at the break even. And afterwards I analyzed market again in the in 4 hour, explained to my trader I think there's a good opportunity for reversal. You can see here price respected third time, we had a third touch and we have a false breakout. You can see here price could not, after the breakout expecting here, but price did not maintain this level, broken. That's the good sign, false breakout. So we need a breakout of this one. So we can see here price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, price retest, that give us the confirmation momentum was bearish. I explained to my trader based on the 4 hour, guys, just keep taking it 2-3 positions and bank as many as pips they can. So you can see here first target hit and then the final target nicely hit and beautiful pips on dollar CAD. So we explain all these things in through live ID commentary to all our trade. That's the beauty, you know, learning in a live trading environment. That's the best way to develop trading skill. All right, so let's move on. Okay, let me share with you the best trade of the day and best pair. That was the pound Swiss franc, by the way. And if you look at the pound Swiss franc, we were short yesterday, bank beautiful pips, and today we were short here. As you can see, as soon as the price broke on this previous low, we were short, bank beautiful pips, and in the New York session we are long in counter trade. Let me explain to you how I analyze market in intraday. And interestingly, if you look at the pound Swiss francs, so we have exactly the same pattern we had it yesterday. Okay, so this is the today pattern, right? So if you look at the yesterday, this is the yesterday, exactly 100% same. Price broken, develop false breakout, after the breakout price retest, and then bang, and that's we have taken this all short trade yesterday. And if you look at the today, exactly the same. You can see here price broken, false breakout, after the breakout price retest, bang it. And that's what we explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks because we have the confirmation for our bias and sentiment also support us. We have breakout, one pullback, this is two, second pullback, third pullback, four pullback. So most of the traders bank amazing profit, especially we just keep taking. That's what exactly, because pound Swiss franc is nothing to do with the dollar, and that's why we said to guys, you know, probably the dollar trades are waiting for FOMC statement, but we can manage a few pips on pound Swiss franc, bank beautiful pips. And at the New York session, as you can see, once the price reverse, I explained to my trader now, these are the level. If you look at here, price broken this level, and did not develop pullback, price develop a false breakout, but we need a confirmation. And if the price is going to confirm this level is broken, this is the previous high, recent high broken, if the price is going to retest, then we take, and that's what I explained to my trader in real time. But I also put this trend resistance as a safest way, look for this breakout. What happened here? And as soon as the price hit this level, which is the resistance level, explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit. If you look at here, this is the level. As soon as the price hit, I explain my traders to bank some profit. So we had amazing trades on pound Swiss franc, bank beautiful pips, beautiful pips. Even right now we can see a bullish engulfing candle is developed. Let's see if the price gonna maintain, probably gonna be a nice trade here. All right, so you can see here, you know, like this is one of my traders just bang at 50 pips. Even if you look at right now, most of the trades like dollar CAD short, bank pound Swiss franc, that was a short trade, but came out dollar CAD, pound dollar, pound Swiss franc, pound yen, pound Swiss franc, dollar CAD. All these trades you can see here manage 50 pips. That's the daily target. Nicely hit, you can see it. And the last trade we had, that was, I think, the pound yen. Yeah, that's the, let me explain to you. This is the not this one, pound yen. Yeah, this is the trade we had at a breakout trade. This is the last trade we had. It beautiful. After the best way is to look for this breakout. After the breakout, we had a beautiful pullback. That's give us the confirmation. That's why we explained trade. That's the safest way to take this trade and bank beautiful pips on pound yen. Even if you look at the pound yen in 4 hour, we had this rejection. You can see here price refused to break this level. That's the good sign and beautiful long trade. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, guys. The most important thing, and that's what I said to you, you should be watching, you know, those analysis in real time. The explanation I have given you here in review, I give exactly the same explanation in real time when the market is developing those patterns, because my major objective is to train people with the live market through live intraday analysis and find the good talented traders and help them to get funded so we all can make money together by trading prop firms. And that's my main objective. If you are interested how I train traders with the live market and how I help them to get funded, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional team member will help you and show you how you can be a good and successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are an experienced trader and you already have funding, and if you would like to trade successfully, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.